Mulayam Singh has reached out to Azam Khan after he faced the party ire for having skipped the national executive meet. Senior leaders like Naresh Agarwal and Ram Gopal Yadav even demanded Azam Khan's resignation, saying that no one is above the party.
हम तक कभी नाराज नहीं हो सकते, ये कहीं नोट कर लेना और फ्यूचर में देख लेना। अब कुछ ऐसी घटना हुई तो नहीं जाना है, जाना तो पता हो रहा है। कुछ फॉर्म के लिए भी आ रहे थे, दुखी को लोग हैं, तो हो सकता है उसकी वजह से चले गए। लेकिन आप अच्छी तरह सुन लीजिए, आजम साहब मुलायम सिंह से कभी भी नाराज नहीं हो सकते।
Since the Azam Khan issue has suddenly become prominent, his absence, it is being read as a diplomatic fever. He is saying he is suffering from fever, but it's being considered as a diplomatic fever. Is he annoyed?
No comment.
So very short reply.
So very short. It is fact, so which I have given the reply. कोई पार्टी से बड़ा नहीं है। अगर एक आदमी ने अनुशासनहीनता की, उसको मौका दिया गया, तो पार्टी में बहुत से लोग अनुशासनहीनता करेंगे जो पार्टी के लिए उचित नहीं है, और नेताजी को कड़ी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। साहब ने जो कहा है, हम सब लोग उसके साथ हैं, और हम भी इस बात से सहमत हैं कि कोई पार्टी से बड़ा नहीं है। अगर एक आदमी ने अनुशासनहीनता की, उसको मौका दिया गया, तो पार्टी में बहुत से लोग अनुशासनहीनता करेंगे जो पार्टी के लिए उचित नहीं है, और नेताजी को कड़ी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।
In fact, the entire party has been on defensive on this Muzaffarnagar issue, and yesterday when we have reported that Azam Khan has cited the illness as a reason why he has skipped the crucial national executive meet, at that meeting itself there were these concerns being raised. In fact, there are certain people within the party who are said to be anti-Azam Khan faction, and they have raised this particular point within the meeting. But then we have seen yesterday that how despite this absence, despite the annoyance of the leadership, top leaders have gone on record not to comment much on this entire issue. In fact, remember Naresh Agarwal, when questioned by Times Now yesterday, has refused to comment on Azam Khan issue, and Ram Gopal in his press conference has tried to downplay the entire incident. But then what sources tell us that late evening yesterday, Mulayam Singh himself expressed his displeasure in the manner in which Azam Khan has chosen to skip the meet. Mulayam was of a clear opinion that his absence has only mounted or further increased the criticism against the party, against his government on the Muzaffarnagar issue. And remember, his absence comes at a crucial time when we have already reported at how various minority organizations have sought in the intervention from the centre government. We have seen that how a very prominent seminary, Sunni seminary, Darul Uloom Deoband, has been raising concerns over the Muzaffarnagar riot. And in that crucial phase, Azam Khan, who is the big minority face of the party, he is keeping the meet, surely mounted the pressure on the party. But ever since Mulayam Singh taking that particular line of displeasure against Azam Khan, there has been a sudden change among the top leadership, and that's the reason why we now hear Naresh Agarwal coming in with a veiled comment against Mr. Azam Khan, and also Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav has commented that no one within the party is above the party. In fact, if someone feels that national executive meet is not worth attending, he should resign. So clearly that is now going to increase criticism, public criticism against Azam Khan from within the party platform. That is going to increase. But yes, sources also telling us that it's very highly unlikely that any immediate action would be taken against Mr. Azam Khan. As far as Azam Khan is concerned, he has again skipped the day 2 of the crucial meet.